Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I have the Ju-Ju-Be and Tokidoki Queens Court Hobobe packed up as a regular diaper bag. So let's just jump right into the video. So I'm going to start with the front mummy pocket of this gorgeous Hobobe in the Queens Court print. So right at the front you do have the black Ju-Ju-Be and Tokidoki Onyx hardware, and also you do have these gorgeous zipper pulls as well on the front pocket of the bag. These are probably my favourite Tokidoki zipper pulls. So over in the front pocket, this is where I have all my mummy items. So as you can see, that gorgeous interior lining, it's a really light blue colour. The best comparison I could give to this interior lining is the Kaiju City print, which is another Ju-Ju-Be and Tokidoki collaboration. On the front you do have, you know, the gorgeous kaijus, the dinosaurs and all the cute stuff, but on the flip side, on the just the interior lining part, you are going to get a similar coloured lining to Queens Court. Okay, so there is an elasticated key leash, and on the elasticated key fob I do have my keys. So I have my car keys, which has got a cute light up keyring, and also attached to the key leash I do have my house keys, and attached to my house keys I do have a Duchess lanyard. Okay, so inside the mummy pocket you do have two black elasticated pockets right at the front. One pocket was my keys, and in the other pocket I just have a Be Charged, and this is in the Donatella Sweet Shop print. This just has all of my important cards inside here. So that's my credit card, debit card, and also have some receipts just tucked into this middle part here. But you do have a long zippered pocket which goes the entire width of the bag. So I'm just going to open that up and show you what I've got inside. So inside here I do have a medium set piece in the gorgeous Black Magic print, and you can probably tell that Black Magic looks absolutely gorgeous with Queens Court as well as that interior lining. I love that Black Magic just poking up right up top here. This is where I'm keeping some of my mummy needs. So inside the set piece I just have my Body Shop Tea Tree mattifying face spray. This stuff is amazing. Once I've put my makeup on, I just spray it all over my face and it just sets like mad, and my face just looks so matte. I love it. I also have some aloe vera Vaseline, I've got a hairband, I've got some body spray, and I've also got my favourite MAC lipstick. It's what I'm currently wearing at the moment. It's called Antique Velvet, and it's basically like a brown colour, like a chocolate brown colour. I absolutely love it. Okay, so I don't have anything else inside here. And right at the bottom of the mummy pocket I have my Kate Spade pen. Now the bag does come with two bottle pockets on either side. You've got one here, they are elasticated, and you've also got one on the other side. I purposely didn't put anything inside these bottle pockets because I feel like the bag is small enough as it is. If I just put in a bottle on one side, I feel like it would just look so disproportionate. So I prefer just to leave these side pockets empty, or potentially use it as a catch-all. So whenever I've got some paperwork or anything like that, I'll just throw it inside here. I do have the messenger strap attached to the bag. I know that some ladies, they do like to take off this messenger strap and, you know, change it for a seatbelt strap. But I'm not really a seatbelt strap kind of gal, so this strap does absolutely fine for me. So go on to the back of the bag. So at the back of the bag you do have a slip pocket, and this has a snap closure. But inside this pocket, this is where they keep the light change pad. I've decided to keep my light change pad in this back pocket because I'm going to be using it today when I'm taking the bag out. I really love the light change pad because, well, firstly it's light and it's really easy to fold. You can fold it in quarters, eighths, whatever, and you can just tuck it in to the back of the bag, and it can fit into most pockets. So I don't have anything else inside this back pocket. Okay, so also just on top of the mummy pocket you do have another zippered pocket. And this is the tech pocket. It is felt lined, and I do have my iPhone 7 Plus just tucked in there. Okay, let's just jump into the main part of the bag. Okay, just gonna fold it over so you guys can really get a good look inside. Okay, so right in the middle I do have a Be Quick in the Black Diamonds print. Black Diamond was probably the best match I could get out of my quick collection to match Queens Court, and I think it matches quite well. Let me know in the comments below whether or not you agree. So inside this quick is what I'm using for my son's diaper needs. So inside here I'm firstly going to pull out, of course, my wide pouch in the monochrome bears print. Also another great match with Queens Court. This just has some baby wipes in there. I have a 3 size 6 diapers, and these are just in the As This Little Angels brand. Scrunched up, I have some trash bags. So right in the corner over here, I do have my son's Contigo water bottle. This just has some water inside there for him. You do have a zip pocket right over here. I've just left it open. Inside this pocket, I do have my son's nose nozzles, and these are by Jackson Reese. These are probably the best nose wipes that I've seen around for a long time. I've tried the boogie wipes and they didn't work for my son. These are just saline wipes, but they're really, really wet and moist, and they really do get the crust out of my son's nose. So I would definitely recommend these. You can probably buy them from Kitty Care, which is where I buy mine. You can't buy them from Boots anymore, but Kitty Care would probably be your best bet. They are an online store, so if anyone's looking for them, definitely let me know, and I can pop the link down below in the description box. Over in this pocket, this is where I'm keeping all of my son's snacks. So I've got a lollipop for him. I have some sweet cinnamon popcorn. I've got a Go Ahead yogurt break snack bar for myself, and I've got a Kit Kat. In this back pocket over here, this is where I'm keeping my son's toys. So I just have a toy phone. I have some maracas. I think they're called maracas. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what the hell these are called. I have no idea. And I have a wooden car. Over in the back there's just this long zippered pocket. This is where I'm keeping a change of clothes for my son. So I just have a top for him folded up, and I also have a pair of jogging bottoms too. And that's everything that I have packed up inside my Queens Court Hobobe. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. You can see all of my cool content on the Queens Court Hobobe, all on my social media and on my website. Website is www.thefrankmama.com, and all of my social media handles are going to be down below in the description box. Now I've got something special for you guys. By the title of this video, I am going to be doing a giveaway. Yes, I have decided to give away my BRB in the Prism Rose print. So Prism Rose was also released with Queens Court, but the Prism Rose, I think it deserves a new home, because currently I am not using it, but it's a gorgeous bag. So to enter the competition, all you have to do is go to www.thefrankmama.com and subscribe to my newsletter. The winner will be picked at random. So what do you do if you are already subscribed to my newsletter? Girl, you have already been entered. Literally every giveaway that I'm going to be doing from now onward, the winners are going to be picked from my email subscribers. So if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, that's fantastic. I do appreciate you. But if you're not subscribed to my weekly newsletter, girl, you need to get that so you can get a chance to win one of these. So head over to my website right now to enter. Okay, that's everything from me. I'm going to be signing off now. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I have, the alarm clock is going big right now. Okay, we wait. Thank you. The Ju-Ju-Be and Tokidoki. What's the name?